Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about UUUU stock and key levels to watch June 22, 2026. In last trading session, the stock formed a bearish candle closed at $16.56. On the weekly time frame, the stock is in uptrend, forming higher high. The stock made a high of $28.02. On the daily time frame, the support level is $15.28. If the price goes below $15.28, it could test $13.53. The resistance level is $19.65. If the price breaks above $19.65, it could test $23.22. That's my view on UUUU stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.